I had a Zoom call with a business owner yesterday who said he knows he should be on YouTube, but doesn't really know where to start and hasn't really been getting good results. When he asked me how many leads a week I get, he was shocked. If you stick with me to the end, I'm gonna show you how to get that for you. And if you're new to my channel, comment new down below. Somebody from my team can send you our full YouTube checklist so you can go implement it. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks. Been doing this marketing stuff for 10 years, helped over 2,500 brands. Not gonna bore you with that. You can always learn more about me here. I break down actionable steps. Our 4 simple steps today are gonna be what you should be posting on YouTube, how to get conversions from YouTube, how to structure your YouTube, and how to get more leads from your YouTube. You ready? Let's dive in. All right, so step number 1 is you wanna pick the right topics. Find what people are searching for. YouTube is a search engine. It's owned by Google. So your videos should answer common questions, how-to videos. Use the YouTube search bar and even Google search to type in different examples before you title your video. How to, what is. Think of your ideal customer and what they want to learn. That's the channel you want to create, is how to do something so they can go learn it. And then when they realize that they won't have time or they don't want to learn it on their own, they'll come back and hire you. That goes into step number 2, is create videos that sell without selling. What you want to do is make educational videos that provide value, that teach behind the scenes of what you do, share case studies and success stories, and also answer those questions that they typed into Google or YouTube. So for you, I made this video, how to get better results from YouTube, right? So you're learning how to get better results from YouTube, and I'm teaching you how to do this on your own. Pick that right topic that your customers are searching for. Make videos that educate, just like this video is. Think about how you can do that for yourself. Next, you want to optimize conversions. Same like I did here at the beginning of the video. I said, if you're new here and you want my full checklist, comment new so my team can send it to you. That's what you can do for your channel. Give something of high value away in your videos to get people to comment and then join your newsletter or your email list so you can follow up with them. You want to convert by giving away stuff for free. Of course, you want to optimize your title and your thumbnail to educate people so they're like, wow, I really want to watch that. You don't want a boring one. Then you want to be able to hook your audience in those first 10 seconds. Just like I did here. I was speaking with a business owner on Zoom yesterday, which I share a story, and he's struggling with YouTube, so this is what we should do. And now I'm making this video to answer that exact question. And then you can always add a call to action at the end, but not really to go buy something, but to give them something that provides even more value. And that's the last step, step number 4. Create a series out of this. Create a playlist. As YouTube wants to be more and more like Netflix in the future, they want people to binge watch your shows, just like you binge watch your favorite Netflix show. Breaking Bad, Ozarks, any of those, right? You want to create a topic playlist so somebody can binge watch and learn 8, 10, 12 things over a course of 8, 10, 12 weeks, as an example. So whatever your YouTube cadence is, let's just start with once a week, theme 8, 10, 12 weeks in a series of how-tos or what is, teaching your ideal audience each step of what you actually offer them, almost like a mini course. And then when they get to the end, they've learned it all from you. They've watched numerous videos from you. They might go try doing it on their own because that's what they were searching for. Or if they just wanted somebody to do it for them, they're calling you and hiring you. Now the same principles go for e-commerce businesses. You want to educate, show people use your product, and you want to be consistent on the product. And then people eventually buy your product after they see other people using it and also learn the benefits of using it. So what are you waiting for? It's time for you to start making your YouTube videos. What you want to do is find the right topic that somebody searches for. Teach them how to do it. Create a series, a playlist, and give away things for free during your video so you can follow up with them in other areas. So don't forget, comment new below. If you're new to my channel and this video brought you any value, be awesome if you subscribe. And if you want to learn more about YouTube, you can check out my YouTube playlist. Just like I taught this series, you can watch numerous videos. So thanks again, and I'll see you on the next video.